Welcome to NextShopz. In this video, we will explore the store POS point of sale system and how it helps manage in-store sales efficiently. To access the store POS, simply click on Store POS from the left side menu and it will redirect you to the POS interface. Once you enter the POS system, you will see a list of products on the left side. If you scroll down, there will be a Load More button, which, when clicked, will display additional products. To quickly find a product, you can either search by product name or use the available filters to sort products by category or brand. There are separate filters for both categories and brands, making it easier to find specific products. Now, let's see how to add products and proceed with a purchase transaction. When you hover over any product, an Add button appears. Clicking on it will add the product to the cart, and you can add multiple products this way. The selected products will appear on the right side of the screen. At the bottom of the selected product list, you will find options to add shipping charges and apply discounts by simply entering the required amount. If needed, you can also hold an order for some time by clicking on the Hold Cart button. All held orders can be accessed from the top section of the POS page. Right now, there are no held orders in my system. But when an order is placed on hold, it can be retrieved and processed later. Once all the required products are added to the cart, the next step is to choose between store pickup or delivery. In this case, I am selecting store pickup. After selecting the order type, you need to enter the customer's mobile number. If the customer already exists in the system, their details including their address will appear in a pop-up. If the customer is new, their details must be entered manually before proceeding. After entering the customer's details, click on the Go to Cart button. This will open an order summary pop-up where you can review the selected products, check the total amount, and view payment options. Here, you can see the product details along with total charges, GST, shipping costs, and applied discounts. If the customer wishes to pay immediately, you can select the cash payment option and enter the amount in the Amount Tendered field. Once everything is verified, click on the Confirm button to complete the transaction. After the order is successfully created, you will see the order confirmation screen. At this stage, you can share the invoice, download it, or print it for the customer. This is how the NextShopz store POS simplifies in-store transactions, making it seamless for both store owners and customers. Thank you for watching.